Caitlin Callahan here. So as you can tell, I am in my bathing suit. If you haven't noticed the title of this video, I am at the beach. I am at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, a week on vacation with my family and some friends. I have not been on a vacation in I don't know how long, but we have some super exciting things planned for the rest of the week. We've been taking it kind of chill too, you know, because well, you know, we're on vacation and all. It's gonna be super fun. I'm kind of just grabbing some cool stuff or beach stuff because I'm getting ready to go on the beach with my friend. And then tonight, I don't really know what I'm doing tonight or what the plan is for the evening, but it's gonna be an awesome time. It's already Tuesday and we got here on Saturday. The week's just flying by. But I want to show you guys some other things later on. But this is just a quick hey what's up title. So hey, what's up guys? Enjoy the video and I'll see y'all soon. Okay, so I'm super excited. I'm on my way down right now in the elevator to the first floor house. We're going outside to the beach. So excited. I hear actually that I'm going on the actual beach. I got my beach toys. Just gonna film some footage of like the actual beach and stuff like that. Putting my feet in the water, that kind of thing. So this is a very long elevator and it's kind of scary. Good morning everybody, and just like that I am dressed and ready for another day at the beach. I'm currently wearing one of my new shirts that I got yesterday at the surf shop. This place was actually really cool. I like little knick-knack stores, stuff like that. But this is what it looked like. Alright guys, so like I said, I went to this surf shop yesterday, and as you can tell, I'm a really big fan of tie-dye. I love tie-dye. I think it's so pretty. And it's coming back a whole lot more now, but I'm very like attracted to the colors of tie-dye, and as you can tell, I have a whole wardrobe worth of tie-dye. And then if you didn't watch the opening of my video, when I was getting ready to go on the beach the other day, I went to this mall and I bought this awesome new bathing suit top. It's super cute actually on me. I didn't think I was gonna like it because like I still have a little bit of weight and meat around my like stomach area, but it's actually really pretty on me and actually really cute. So if you haven't seen it yet, go check that out. Yeah, so I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna take my blood sugar, eat some breakfast, and kind of find out what I'm doing for the rest of the day. I don't really, nothing's like a huge rush, like, and it shouldn't be. Like, it's vacation, you're supposed to relax. So That we're upstairs getting ready, but here is the kitchen. I gotta take my blood sugar. So I just got back from the golf cart and getting some lottery ticket cash for my mama. I'm gonna go ahead and change into my bathing suit and I will be back in 2 seconds. See you in a moment. I did a clip of me getting ready and putting my bathing suit on and stuff. I am going to go play in the water or the pool. I'm gonna go on the beach itself, just because like I don't want my feet to get ate anymore. So. Okay, so we are outside now. Here is the hot tub. Alright guys, so this happens every single time I have come out here. I always, as soon as I have my bathing suit on and I'm not upstairs no more, I always have to pee. And I hate it. It's like, really? You can't freaking go pee when you're actually upstairs. You gotta.
A few moments later.
Because you know, you always gotta like check yourself in the mirror and stuff in a mirror, so. Ooh. Guys, this hot tub feels so freaking nice. This hot water is like so nice. It's 100 points the hot tub and it's worth 100 points 6 temps. So I'm going to enjoy the hot tub for a little while. And then going to go in the pool. It's rain. I don't really see any rain clouds or anything, but you never know. It's the beach. If it rains, it's usually pretty quick or a quick flip shower. But I'm going to take some footage of the hot tub, some of me swimming. So it's a beautiful cloudy-ish afternoon to take a nice relaxing swim. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to record some footage of me doing some different angles of swimming. I'm going to go ahead and film some. So You guys enjoy. Hey guys, so I just got done going to the pool. I'm still in my bathing suit because I'm gonna go back out, but I had to come in the house and take some ibuprofen. But I'm gonna start editing some more of my video because I'm just gonna make a whole montage video of everything that I've done on this trip. Because when I edited it yesterday, I only had like 2 minutes worth of footage, which really makes me mad because I feel like I film a whole lot, but when you cut it all down and you actually put it together, it's not really that long. So start editing. My fan's on in the room, but I will see you guys soon. So bye. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and import some pictures that I took from earlier after this last clip that I recorded of me at the hot. They actually turned out pretty good. I'm gonna be taking some more photos later on, but this is just the ones that I took when I was filming the hot tub in the pool area. So hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys soon with the next clip. This place is amazing. So I want to tell you something that's really super ridiculous. Like every night that I have been in this luxury room beach house that I'm staying at for the week, I cannot find my room every single time. Every night I cannot find it. I mean, it's ridiculous. I found it. Yay me. Now I get to watch TV. And yes, I am getting ready to take a shower. I will be back in a few moments to end this video. But guys, I am going to be having an early night tonight because I am very tired. I am super tired tonight. That honestly, even if I don't even do anything a lot on my vacation or even on the beach, I will go to sleep at nighttime feeling like I walked a marathon. And, you know, that's okay. It's okay that, you know, I don't do a lot on vacation because, I mean, I could still have a vacation and not do a single thing. But I had a seafood buffet for dinner tonight, and oh my gosh. I took some videos, and I'm going to insert them in just a second after this clip. But I am going to go to bed. So, good night, guys.